Hello and welcome viewers and subscribers of AVG News. Only see the son of Ngobe is my name. Well, I have a brief of an update on Zimbabwean politics. For many of you who've been wondering where war veteran Blessed Lunesu Geza has disappeared to, you have your answer now. You'll remember Geza as the war veteran who threatened action on President Emmerson Mnangagwa's bid for an elongation of his day beyond his constitutional term that ends in 2028. But after that, you remember that the police issued a statement that they wanted to arrest Geza for a number of crimes or alleged crimes, and he went into hiding. You've been wondering probably on where he is for some time because he went quiet for some weeks, but now we have an answer as to where he is. Although he didn't give a location, he has resurfaced on Twitter, that is X, the microblogging site, where he has officially joined and issued out his official channel, which he now wants to communicate with you using. So we include here a statement from him. It is a very, very brief statement which he posted on X saying this is his official channel which is going to communicate with you. So we'll leave you watching him, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it. Thank you.
This is my official Twitter account, which I will be using to communicate with you starting from today. Ndo official Twitter account yangu yalishandisa kutaura nemwi kana kucommunicate nemwi kutakisa nhasi.